Hello. At Landmark Elementary Middle School, there's a class called Auditory Oral Expression, Literature Study Skills, sometimes abbreviated to OE Lit. You may wonder what that's all about. I'm Martha Heddon, and Jennifer Schley-Johnson and I are department co-chairs. Jennifer is at the elementary level, and I'm at the middle school level. Beth Knox focuses on the social communication components at the middle school level, and we all consult frequently with Wendy Ellis. Auditory, of course, means listening. Oral expression is speaking. Literature is obviously literature, and study skills focuses on comprehending. Why, though? Some students have difficulty with auditory processing. Students can hear as well as anyone else, but it's the processing of the sounds that could be an issue. How fast can you listen? Most people can listen to 12 phonemes or bits of sound per second. Some people speak very rapidly, and we as teachers have been reminded frequently to slow down, especially in this time of facial coverings. Some of our students are dyspraxic. And many of us, not just students, have difficulty with word retrieval, which is the ability to recall and express a specific known word. So we do exercises in the area of phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantics, but also pragmatics, discourse, sharing information in a clear and concise manner, and social communication. It's those nonverbal elements of communication. I'm going to be going fairly rapidly through these slides. So we do this in several ways. There are summaries of an event, a story, a chapter in literature, or a conflict. We do description, definition and description of objects, animals, settings, and characters with templates for various things. Students learn to compare and contrast objects, people, characters, authors, titles, genres. Templates are provided. Also, students explain a process, its directions of how to. They express opinions and support them with reasons based on logic, and then try to do the alternative viewpoint and try supporting that with reasons based upon logic. Literature at Landmark consists of 18 classes grouped homogeneously. Many factors are considered when grouping students. The pre-literate students are read aloud to, and most students read collaboratively at an age-appropriate level. Poetry is addressed and often memorized and recited. Students learn vocabulary and learn to decipher figurative language. Active learning strategies, that's asking questions, making connections, using tools to repair, inferences, visualizing, and explanations are addressed to help students comprehend. And student participation in discussion is, of course, an important element in literature at Landmark. In middle school, some classes also engage in study skills, which is how to remember and manage information and time. Study skills is the basis for social studies and science at Landmark and is also incorporated in this department. Students may do research related to the theme of a story, research about authors, and then complement that with a PowerPoint, a poster session. But the whole idea is not to read from a script. Thank you very much. You can contact me through your child's academic advisor or at mheddon@landmarkschool.org.